In this video, I'm going to show you pivot tables made easy with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, we've already talked about creating a pivot table using Gemini. Now in this video, we're going to add more to that. We're going to try and combine two pivot tables into one with the help of Gemini. So let's go ahead and create our pivot tables first. So of course, we're going to use Gemini for that. So open your Gemini here. At the top right corner, we can click on Ask Gemini. And that will quickly open this panel for us. And here at the bottom, we're just going to enter our prompt. So that's our first pivot table. If we press enter or click on this one, it will now read through our prompt and create our pivot table on a different sheet. And here we have it. So it does say, I have created a pivot table for you. It summarizes the total sales by product on a new sheet. And here we have our new sheet. If we click on it, here is our pivot table. There you have it. Let's try another pivot table. Again, let's press enter or click on submit. And here we have it. So on another sheet, we have another pivot table showing the total quantity sold grouped by product. If we click on it, here we have it. So the trick here is with Gemini, we will also be able to combine these two pivot tables in one pivot table. So if I ask Gemini right here, I'm going to go back to my sample data, then go back to the prompt and press enter. Now let's see if it's going to create another sheet with those two pivot tables combined. So here we have it on this fourth sheet or sheet number 6. We have combined the sum of quantity and the sum of total sales. We have sheet 4 where we only have the sum of the total sales. Then on sheet 5, we have the sum of quantity. So if we combine that here on the third sheet for pivot tables, we have the same product, but now the combination of our sum of quantity and our sum of total sales. And there you have it. So that was with the help of Gemini. Instead of creating all of those pivot tables by yourselves, you can easily just ask Gemini to do it for you. Now there will be some mistakes again because Gemini is not perfect. So do watch out for that. Do review all of the things that you see on your pivot tables and compare them to your original data. And that's pivot tables made easy with Gemini here in Google Sheets. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini with Google Sheets. If you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should also check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.